In this video, you will learn how to import a JavaScript library into WordPress. The name of this library is Sweetalert and it creates a beautiful pop-up box. First, we go to the installation section and download its library file. Of course, the way to get the library you want will be a little different. We need to encode this JS file into WordPress. Go to the link in the description and copy this PHP code. By clicking on the copy button, this code will be copied. On the WordPress dashboard, go to Appearance, Theme File Editor and open the functions.php file. As you can see, I am using the Bloxy child theme. You must create a child theme before making any changes to functions.php. Otherwise, the applied changes will be lost after each update. Watch video number 1 on the channel to learn how to make a child theme. Paste the code into the functions.php. We copy the JS file to this address. Go to the cpanel and select File Manager. Now create a new folder called custom-code in the public HTML folder. Now, go to the folder you just created and create another folder named JS. Now click on the Upload button and upload the library file. Copy the name of the JS file and paste it here. This is the address of our library file that we need to put into the code. This library does not have a stylesheet file, so we delete this line. Here we paste the address of the library file. Here, write a name for it. If this variable is true, the JS file will be placed in the footer of the site. For now, we set it to true, and if the library execution fails, we will set it to false. Let's create a new page and test the result according to the library documentation. Create a custom HTML block and put a script tag in it. Now we copy the sample script. And here we paste the code and publish the page. Unfortunately, the library didn't work properly. We have to put it in the head instead of the footer. By changing this variable to false, the library file will be inserted at the head of the site. Let's test the result once more. The library worked correctly this time. Just for fun, let's create a button that will display a pop-up when clicked. Let's create a button with the fire class. In the console, we select the button we made, assign a click event listener to it, and put the demo script in it. Now copy this script and replace it with the previous one. Let's refresh the page and test the result. As you can see, this JavaScript library works correctly. That's it. If you do have any questions or comments about this, please put them below. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please subscribe. And I'll see you next time.